Hi friends, in this videos we will learn about Pandas. Pandas is a powerful and widely used Python library. It is mainly used for data manipulation and analysis. There are two main uses of Pandas, that is creation of series and data frames. So let's have a look at the example of Pandas. In this particular example, we have created a series using Pandas. So we have given few values as an input to series, and on executing this particular script it has created a series for us. Before the series we got some numbers also like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are called as indexes, and we can change these indexes also. We can have a, b, c, d instead of normal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.